Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to use WordPress plugins for website customization. To do that, step 1. Choose and install plugins. To see your plugins on WordPress, just go to your dashboard and log into your account and then click plugins at the right side and then download and install the plugins from your WordPress. Step 2. Configure plugin settings. After activating the plugin, locate its settings page. This can usually be found under the Settings or Plugins tab in the WordPress dashboard. And then step 3. Customize plugin features. Many plugins offer customization options that allows you to tailor their feature to your website. And last, test and refine. After customizing the plugin, it's crucial to test its functionality to ensure it aligns with your website's design and goals. So that's how to use WordPress plugins for website customization. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching!